Now let's look at graphing by finding the x and y-intercepts. There's basically two steps. First you find the x and y-intercepts and you plot them and then you connect the dots. So let's graph 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now there's actually two different ways to graph this. One way to graph this is what we did before. We could rewrite it y equals mx plus b. The other way we could graph it is by finding the x and y-intercepts. And it doesn't matter which one you do. To find the x-intercept, remember the x-intercept, you know that y is equal to 0. So then you have 2x plus 3 times 0 is equal to 12, or 2x equals 12, or x is equal to 6. How do we do that? We just divide it. First, we plugged in y equals 0. 3 times 0 is 0, so that's 2x equals 12, and then we divide this side by 2 and this side by 2, and we get 6. So the x-intercept is simply 6, 0. Let's do the y-intercept now. At the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. So you plug in x equals 0, and you have 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 times 0 is 0, so you have 3y equals 12. And now you divide both sides by 3, and you get y is equal to 4. Or you get the point 0, 4. So now you found the two intercepts. Then you're going to plot those 2 points, 6, 0 and 0, 4. So let's graph those two. So 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just put a dot. That's the point 0, 6, 0. That's the x-intercept, and the y-intercept is 0, 4. Put another dot. You have the two intercepts. Now simply graph the 2 points. And that's the graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Let's do another quick example. Let's graph 2x minus 5y is equal to, let's do minus 10. Let's do y-intercept first. Y-intercept, you just set x equals 0. You know that 2 times 0 is 0, so you know you're going to have minus 5y is equal to minus 10. Divide by minus 5 and divide by minus 5, and you get y is equal to 2. So the y-intercept is simply 0, 2. Let's find the x-intercept. At the x-intercept, y is equal to 0. Now if you plug a 0 in there, minus 5 times 0 is 0, so you get simply 2x is equal to minus 10. Divide by 2 and divide by 2, and you get x is equal to minus 5. So it's minus 5, 0. Now you simply plot these 2 points. You're going to plot 0, 2 and minus 5, 0. Let's graph 0, 2. That's going to be the point right there. Remember, it's always x, y. So x is 0 and y is 2. And this is x, y, so x is minus 5 and y is 0. Uh-oh, I messed up there. Let's graph that again. We want to graph that again. If you graph 0, 2 would be right here. And minus 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be right there. And then you simply draw a line between those two, right? Remember, this is x and y, so this is x is 0, y is 2, and this is x is minus 5, y is 0. I'm going to graph in red because the first time I did this, I made a mistake. And that's how you graph by finding the x and y intercepts.